Guys, today I'm gonna be looking at EZbook 3L Pro, and it comes from the Jumper company from China. So the website is there, I'll put it on the screen as well. And it's actually kind of hard to find the website. I had trouble finding it. But even if you go to the website, you won't be able to find this computer, at least I wasn't. And this model, EZbook 3L Pro, just wasn't there. I could find the EZbook 3 Pro and EZbook 3, but not 3L. And I'm not sure what the L means, not sure what it stands for. Maybe it means large or something. Maybe this is like a bigger version. One hand unboxing, because I'm a plebeian. I've got no camera stand, anyways, recording with my phone. Whoa, what are those? Okay, so there's a thing. Check out. It's probably the charger and some papers, maybe. What's inside? Wow, it's a charger, but it's a really bad charger. These are the specs of it. Get the camera to focus. Or basically, they're the specs. It's 0.45 amps, 12 volts. Or use the American plug, which is kind of a shame because I'm in Europe. And this is the other side. If you want to buy yourself a better one, you can do so. And this, I got this adapter in the box as well. Yeah, I guess it kind of fits well. Fits in the team nice. Okay, so that's the charger. Pretty crappy one. Maybe not the worst one. And there's the laptop inside. Nice. Let's pull that out. Come out, laptop. Come out. Okay. Push off the box, whatever. Alright, we got this paper tutorial. How to use a computer, I don't know. And there's a sticker. Whatever that means. Okay, there's something on the other side. Manual, show me what you got. It's in Chinese. Chinese. And Chinese. No, there's in English. There's some stuff in English, yeah. And we got the laptop itself. Oh no, what is this material, bro? Like, it was advertised on Geekbuying as metal. Oh no, the trackpad buttons, I mean, they're pretty bad. Maybe they're good for a laptop in this price. I haven't really bought a laptop in this price ever. The keyboard's good enough. I mean, I would not complain too much. But the trackpad is pretty bad, especially the buttons. I don't know about tracking, haven't turned it on yet. So it's got that on the top. Alright. About the sides. So, USB 3.0. That seems like a micro HDMI. Or a DisplayPort, I don't know. Look it up on the website or where you're buying anyways. You can ask a question. There's the DC 3.5mm headphone jack, micro SD card slot, and another USB Type A. So 2 USB Type A's. Type A number 1. What about the screen wiggle though? Yeah, I mean, it's not very bad actually. Like, for example, if you type, I mean, it doesn't wiggle too much. It's on a cardboard box right now, so it's very unstable. So it's got this keyboard layout as advertised. I'm gonna check the specs. The cover things, the protectors, and it doesn't come with a protector on the screen. It's a matte screen actually. But what I've read in the manual is that this case comes with lead in its case. So, because lead is toxic, you definitely don't want to suck it or lick it or let children near this thing. Yeah, so the laptop from outside is as advertised. There's the M2 thing. So, now about internals, I guess I'll find out. How far does the hinge go? Oh, the hinge goes, okay, the hinge goes quite far actually compared to other laptops. Okay, so the trackpad, I mean, not very bad actually. It's not very smooth. Maybe that's because I'm not used to 60 Hz or however many hertz this screen is, but I'm used to higher refresh rates, but it didn't feel like a bad touchpad actually. When the material, I guess it's metal, as they said, and oh, this thing works nice, double finger movements and everything. I mean, we could
Your
actually.
region is set to the United States. Is that right?
Speakers are kind of loud, actually louder than my phone, which I didn't expect. Where are the speakers though? Where are they at? The speakers. Am I blind? Ah, doesn't look like they're very visible. Microphones are on the top, which is good. Okay, I actually looked around the whole laptop, couldn't find the speakers, and I assumed that they might be down there somewhere in this hinge, because I literally couldn't find any speakers around it. So it does recognize 5 GHz Wi-Fi. It's dual band. So the charger actually works, which is good. I hope. I didn't actually look. Yeah, it's charging, and there are this many gigabytes available out of the 64 as advertised. So it has 6 gigabytes as RAM and a Celeron and 3450 as advertised. So everything's as advertised. I got this laptop for 190 euros with all the import fees to European Union, and I'd say it's actually a pretty good deal for that much. So yeah, I guess this is a good laptop you could get.